My name is Bilal, and I am a student who tries to live with faith. Every morning, I thank Allah for giving me another day. I believe that time is a gift, and I should use it wisely. When I face challenges, I remember the verse from the Quran. Indeed, with hardship comes ease. This reminds me that no struggle lasts forever. I try to be disciplined in my studies and sincere in my prayers. I know that true success is not only good grades, but also being a good Muslim with a pure heart. My teachers and parents encourage me to do my best. I stay motivated because I believe that Allah helps those who work hard and trust in Him. I am proud to be a student who never loses hope, and I pray to become someone who benefits others.